Let's look at a couple more examples using the box method. Let's look at 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. The first thing we want to do is find out if there's any greatest common factor. And in this, there is no greatest common factor. The next thing we want to do is we want to look at our b term, see what adds up to -5, and then we're going to multiply 6 and -4, which gives us -24, and what multiplies to -24. When I look at the -24, the first thing I realize is that it's a negative number, so you're going to have a positive factor and a negative factor. The second thing is because of that, you're probably going to subtract in order to get this number. So I'm going to look at the numbers 1 and 24. If I subtract those, that wouldn't help me. 2 and 12 doesn't work, but 3 and 8 do. So the second thing is we have to make sure that the 8 is negative because there's more negatives than there are positives. So -8 and 3 are going to be our BX terms. The second step I want to take is I'm going to create my box, and inside the box I'm going to put the first term, 6x squared, the last term, -4, and then I'm going to put my -8x and 3x right there. I'm going to extend this box out so that now I can come up with my greatest common factors of each row and each column. So the greatest common factor of this row is 2x. Of this one is 1. 3x is my greatest common factor of this row, and then -4 of this one. If you see two negatives in this column, then you're definitely going to want to pull out a negative there. The last step is all I have to do is look at these two terms. 2x plus 1 is there, and then 3x minus 4 is that binomial. And then my last step is to double check my work. So I'm going to use FOIL to do that. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. And then 2x times -4 is -8x. 1 times 3x is 3x. And then 2x times -4, 1 times -4 is -4. 6x squared minus 5x minus 4 is the trinomial. So the answer to this problem is 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 4. Let's look at 12x squared plus 11x minus 5. So I don't see a greatest common factor out of there. Now I'm going to look at what adds up to 11 but multiplies to -60.